How to customize laptop and make a purchase using Lenovo site. In the search bar, search for ThinkPad. Let me choose ThinkPad E14. It says it costs 47,000. There is an option to customize. You see there is an option to customize the laptop configuration. Select the processor configuration you want, select operating system. If you have license you can go with DOS. Looks like Windows 11 is less compared to Windows 10 64-bit. I am selecting Windows 11. Select other software like Office. Note that while you customize, the cart amount will change. The memory option has 8 GB and max of 24 GB, hence I select 16 GB. So total 24 GB you have selected. There are two M.2 SSD option. One is already coming with 256 GB. I will select other options and have two M.2 SSD configured. Display I will leave as it is, as all are non-touch, and for the other options I will leave as it is. Next, choose services. Services I am good. Review or edit if you want to change. Next, as you can check out, enter your address and make the payment. Delivery you can expect after 7 days or 10 to 12 days.